Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishnan, and here basically we are discussing about the currency topic, that is currency which is totally dependent on the other factors. Basically, in this basically we have discussed that there are many factors. In the last factor, basically we saw that basically uh, there is one blood cells basically called Mumbai blood cells. Whatever incidents basically is going to happen in Mumbai, that basically are tracked, and that basically can be stopped. For example, one person told that that entire area is going to end. That basically was tracked in the blood cells of that particular person. That is Mumbai blood cell. Then he told that basically how that is possible here basically. How that is possible. Then one person told that basically, do you know basically the Mumbai blood cells is getting handled by this particular person, right? Whatever things basically happens inside this body basically, that basically happens to Mumbai city, right? Whatever things basically, new creation, old creation, and any modification, each and everything basically. So one person actually literally told that basically Mumbai city, that particular person basically is controlled by some other group basically. Then he told that basically yes, 100% is getting controlled. How? Because Mumbai city is getting power supply from more than 170, 180 countries. Then he told that, oh, that means Mumbai city is totally controlled by 170 countries. And this basically Mumbai city told that one of the person experts told that basically in Mumbai basically anything can happen anytime. But whatever things is going to happen, that basically is tracked. For example, one earthquake is going to happen after some time basically. So that basically is tracked. How? From that particular person's blood cells basically. And one person told that that person is basically staying in Mumbai only. That basically was the question basically, which was supposed there was no answer of that particular question. The question was that person basically who is basically having the Mumbai blood cells, he is staying in Mumbai or basically he is staying outside Mumbai. That question basically was the literally nice question basically, that we will discuss later on basically. So the thing was basically whatever things basically his body is going to affect, that basically 100% in Mumbai city is going to happen. Whatever things. For example, one person told that basically in that area basically few construction is going to happen. How you told that? How basically you got this here? Then he told that basically in the Mumbai blood cells, basically I got the information that in this area basically the creation is going to happen. But from where basically you got the data basically? Because the World Bank basically told that basically these all countries are going to do investment in Mumbai city, so that in Mumbai, so basically the World Bank basically told that we have sent the data of the investment basically. You can basically check from that blood group basically. So he told that basically okay, I will check the how up to what level the blood, investment is, that basically is not listed, but the investment is going to happen. That much information we have sent them, because that land is purchased, everything is done basically. After that only basically we have sent the data basically. Then he told that okay. That means in that land basically the uh, creation is going to happen. Land creation basically, that is basically was tracked with the help of the blood cells which was sent. So you want to say that? Then yes, basically exactly you are. That means whatever incidents which is going to happen, that basically is tracked in the blood cells, and that blood cells basically can be repaired and can't be repaired. Two things are basically there. So that basically decided by the doctor basically. The local doctor means Mumbai doctor, whoever basically is handling the Mumbai blood cells. He basically whatever authority basically he have. For example, he tracked that basically this blood cells is getting some infection. So he told that basically in the against of these infected blood cells basically, I can't see any medicine basically listed in my system basically. So he basically contacted to the World Health Organization and told that basically these are the things basically. So there basically in this from the system only basically he sent the mail and then they told that basically we don't find that medicine and this is the infected basically. So then they added the medicine name basically and they told that basically you can add this medicine like this basically you can do the creation basically like this basically you can do the creation. So the thing was basically andheri blood cells basically was got the infected, that andheri blood cells got repaired. After that repair basically he got the material got the data basically which was repaired, and that basically repaired data basically was supposed to put in that particular area. That data basically it can be basically anything basically. It might possible that one person is basically not feeling well and he basically was not having the medicine also, so automatic repair basically also happens sometime basically. And mostly basically everything basically happens like this only basically, each and every basically. Otherwise basically in this world basically all basically people will become converts to disease basically. They basically not a single person will in this world basically might be not having the disease if this type of system is not created. So he told that basically this type of system basically is there, right? Then one of the person told that like this basically the system is there, right? Then he told that basically whatever things basically was repaired that was calculated in the physical area also. Then he told that yes basically it was calculated in the physical area also. Then basically he told that basically here basically I am taking just example of the Mumbai blood cells, but real in there are more than 1,75,000 cities basically available in the world basically. Currently still basically 1,75,000 cities basically are there. That means minimum 1,75,000 people basically are having the blood cells of each and every land basically. So it can be Andheri, it can be New York City land, it can be New York blood cells, it can be New Jersey blood cells, it can be London blood cells, it can be this blood cell, it can be anything basically, any basically across the world basically. And that basically are connected with the certain level of people basically. And they basically single person basically can't do anything. Single person basically can't do anything. For example, Mumbai blood cells basically one person is having, but he can't handle, he can't basically, his body basically can't take up to the level basically, right? For example, assume that Andheri blood cells got affected, Villai Parle blood cell got affected, some lots of things basically got infected. Infected basically happened in Villai Parle blood cells, in this blood cells, in that blood cell, 4 or 5 area basically. Like this basically he told them 4 or 5 area basically got affected. So basically if that particular person is having the infection directly, then basically it was very difficult to do the repairing. So he basically for that basically Villai Parle blood cells is created, Andheri blood cells is created, Mumbai Central blood cells is created, the other blood cells is created, Borivali blood cells is created. Like this all blood cells basically are created, yeah. Then only basically he directly got the antibiotic, because this all blood cells basically went to the doctor and then basically they repaired their blood cells. Andheri blood cells was repaired, Borivali blood cells was repaired. Borivali blood cells means that person basically was converted into Borivali blood cells. He was repaired. He was basically repaired. So like this basically things are there basically. Then he told that basically this everything basically is directly connecting to the currency only, because currency equal to physical place only basically. One person told that basically Mumbai land basically cost is 90 lakh crore rupees. It can be dollar also basically, or it can be rupees also. So 90 lakh crore basically was the cost basically of the Mumbai land, entire Mumbai land basically. So he told that basically so like this basically it's directly connecting to the currency department only, no basically. 90 lakh crore 90 lakh crore. So 90 lakh crore basically it's a currency amount. It's a currency amount, no? So basically it's directly affecting to the currency only. It directly affecting to the currency only. So in next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about the currencies and how basically each and every lands and each and every things basically are connecting to the currencies.